after.
An occasional question I get is how does Standard Time handle future billing rates or estimating projects out into the future?
Well, that actually starts here in the Tools menu. If you go to the Billing Rates menu, you can go over here either to Employee Billing Rates or Category Billing Rates. I'm just going to choose Employee Billing Rates. Normally, you are able to filter this view on the right-hand side and set your client and salary rates here for each project, so that each project has different rates. But you're also able to go out into the future. So when you open up the date range choice here, you are able to choose a certain date range and then set the rates for that. So this would essentially handle projects that go out into future years, or even bleed over into the next year, where you know you're going to have a rate increase. So you can see that the rate is changing here as I go into future years. So even years or projects that go into 1 year from now, you'll be able to estimate those client and salary rates so that you can estimate your costs and your revenue for those projects.
And I see you have a lot of those look like they're in, every year, year by year. Can you do different date ranges? What if I just had a project that maybe had a 3-month range or something like that?
Okay, that would be handled here by going to the Manage choice, and you are correct. Each one of these, in this particular example, happens to be on a yearly boundary. You do not have to limit yourself to that. You can set these to any date range.
Okay.
So if you have a year and a half, 2 year, whenever your rate changes occur, you can set these starting and ending dates there. So it's pretty simple.
It's probably worth clarifying too that if you don't do any changes here, it just uses the default billing rate that the project already has.
Yes, that's correct. So what I'm going to do is just go take a look at a fictional project that has some tasks that go out into the future. And you can see I've got some tasks here with some starting dates that go out into future years. And just as we saw in that previous dialog box, you have rates that get assigned because those tasks are out into future years.
Good. So basically, if I look at this, it looks like in the year 2013 the billing rate's $200 an hour, and 2014 is $225, and so on.
Yes, that's correct.
Well, yeah, I think that's helpful.
Yep, very good then. Just wanted to point it out, and hope that helps.
Sure does. Thanks.